Hello friends, let's make some lemon rice today. This is a very tasty lemon rice and very easy to make. For this you need a cup of rice cooked, uncooked rice 1 cup, and cook it and keep it. Uncooked rice cooked is going to be 3 to 4 cups of rice. And this is oil. We need 1 plus 2, 3 teaspoons, not tablespoons, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a half a teaspoon of salt and lemon juice. Like I used here the bottle lemon juice. You can use the fresh lemon, 1 or 2. And this is urad dal, and this is uh, mustard seeds. This is cumin seeds. These are like 1/8 teaspoon each. Urad dal also 1/8 teaspoon, and this is curry leaves, and about a 1/4 cup of peanuts, and 1/8 cup or 1/4 cup of it doesn't really matter of cashews. I took here roasted cashews. You can take raw also. About 4 to 5 red dry chilies. You need to keep all these ingredients. You see those 4 ingredients, I put them separate. Those are oil is used in both stages. One is like 1 teaspoon, we use it with to mix with the rice with along with the lemon juice, salt and turmeric. We take out the rice into a bowl, cool it down after it's cooked, cool it down a little bit, add a teaspoon of oil, turmeric, salt, and lemon juice, and mix well. Here, when I said urad dal, I'll give you in the description where you can find it in the Indian grocery stores. Black gram dal, black gram dal, or urad dal, you can call it in Indian grocery stores, and that is an optional. It is good if you put it. If you don't put it, also, don't worry about it. We have peanuts and cashews, which is very important. You can also add chana dal also a little bit, a teaspoon or so, but I didn't use chana dal here. So I'm adding only 1 teaspoon of oil. I took a small bowl of it, but I'm not using all of it. Here, mix all those one at a time, mix it well. Like oil first, then turmeric, then salt, and then add the lemon juice and mix well. And the cashew nuts I used here are roasted, so I didn't put it in the seasoning in the beginning along with the peanuts and all that. I used it last because they are already roasted. I just want them to mix up with them, so I put it in the end. So mix well until the rice is yellow and salt is mixed very well, and lemon juice also mixed very well. So this one, like, it's ready here. Now we need to make the seasoning. I'm adding the lemon juice. Another thing, I used about 3 tablespoons, which is a 1/4 cup of the bottle lemon juice. If you are using the fresh lemon, I don't think you need that much. Those are not more concentrated than the bottle ones. So you need use one and see if that is not enough, add some more. And also lemon juice, after a while it is going to tone down a little bit, so you may want to put a little more. So look at the ingredients, all the ingredients one more time. These are all what we took. So I put the first ingredients separate and this separate. These are the rest of the ingredients we are going to use in the seasoning. So I heat the pan on the stove and add the 2 teaspoons. For 1 cup of uncooked rice, 2 teaspoons are enough, more than enough. You don't want to put too much. So 2 teaspoons of oil and a 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add them into when the oil is hot enough, you add those, and then you put that urad dal. If you are using chana dal also, you can put it then, but I didn't use the chana dal here. I put the urad dal, and right after that you add the peanuts also, like one after the other. Put everything, peanuts and red chilies, red dry chilies, about 4 to 5. Since we didn't cut them into pieces, they are not going to be very spicy, don't worry about it. If you want spicy, you can cut them and take out the seeds and put it in there, or you can add more. Roast them until they are medium brown. You see that's turning brown. Now I turn the stove off immediately. It won't take more than a couple of minutes once the oil is hot. Just keep putting everything one after the other and just mix them well. Roast them. I added the cashews in the last, so they were already roasted. So I just want to mix with the mixture rest of those items. So now finally I turned the stove off already, and now I added the rice mix we prepared into this. You don't need to fry the rice. I think it's the lemon juice. Once after you add the lemon juice, if you cook it on the stove like this, it's going to turn the taste is going to taste bitter or something. So anyway, I never tried it, but I just was just told. But you can try it if you want to. But fry it well, because it's already turned. Stove was turned off, but you still mix it well. Sorry, mix it well. It's because the pan is already very hot, and take it out and eat it. I usually eat with yogurt and some kind of chutney. So I made some tomato chutney today. So I ate with that one. I'll show the chutneys some other time. I like the lemon rice with yogurt a lot. If you don't want to, you can. This is a plain yogurt. No, nothing added in there. Just plain yogurt, a homemade yogurt. In future, I'm going to show that also. All the chutneys and also yogurt I'm going to show later on. It's not possible all of them at a time to show. So serve it. Eat as a side item or a main item, whatever you will like it. If you're a vegetarian, this is one of the good options, rice options. So whoever asked me, hope you like the rice recipe I gave you. Enjoy, try it and enjoy, like it is really, really easy. If you like my videos, subscribe. I'll be posting more. Thank you for watching.